In the annals of human history, few institutions rival the enduring power and enigmatic nature of banking. It has been a cornerstone of civilization, influencing the rise and fall of empires and shaping the course of human destiny. Like a phantom, its origins vanish into the mists of time, leaving behind only whispers and shadows of its early days. Before coins or paper money, commerce thrived on trust and obligation. People exchanged goods and services based on mutual agreements and the promise of future repayment. Ancient civilizations, from Mesopotamia to Egypt, developed rudimentary forms of banking. They recorded transactions on clay tablets and papyrus scrolls, laying the groundwork for modern financial systems. Temples, with their aura of sanctity, became the first repositories of wealth. These sacred spaces were trusted by the people to safeguard their valuables. Imagine the hushed whispers of merchants, the clinking of precious metals, the weight of secrets held within those sacred walls. These early bankers were the keepers of trust and the facilitators of trade. These early transactions, shrouded in mystery, sowed the seeds for the sprawling financial empires of the future. They were the first steps in a journey that would span millennia. From these humble beginnings, a force would emerge that would shape the destiny of nations and the lives of billions. Banking evolved, adapting to the needs of growing societies and expanding economies. Let us delve into the labyrinth of history and trace the evolution of this enigmatic institution. Together, we will uncover the secrets and stories that have shaped the world of finance as we know it today. As civilizations blossomed, so too did the need for more sophisticated financial systems. Merchants in ancient Greece and Rome established banks, benches where they exchanged currency and offered loans. These early bankers, bearing the weight of risk and reward, laid the foundation for modern banking practices. The Roman Empire, with its vast trade networks, witnessed the rise of powerful banking families. Their influence extended far beyond the counting house, shaping the political and economic landscape. Yet, even as these ancient institutions flourished, a constant tension simmered beneath the surface. The allure of wealth, the potential for corruption, and the delicate balance between trust and greed would forever haunt the world of banking. The flame of banking, once flickering in the ancient world, was a symbol of early financial ingenuity and the human desire to create systems of trade and value. This flame found new life and vigor in the heart of the Italian Renaissance. The Medici family, masters of commerce and politics, were pivotal in this transformation. Rising to prominence in 14th century Florence, the Medici family established a banking empire that was a testament to their ambition and innovative spirit. They introduced groundbreaking practices such as double-entry bookkeeping, which revolutionized the way financial records were kept. The Medici understood the intoxicating power of wealth and its ability to shape not just individual destinies, but the fate of entire cities and nations. Their patronage of the arts and sciences fueled the Renaissance, transforming Florence into a crucible of creativity, innovation, and cultural rebirth. The Medici's support for artists, scientists, and thinkers helped to usher in an era of unprecedented progress and enlightenment. Yet their story serves as a potent reminder that even the grandest empires can crumble under the weight of their own ambition. The Medici's rise and fall illustrate the delicate balance between power and responsibility. The rise and fall of the Medici is a cautionary tale, a reminder that the relentless pursuit of wealth and power must be tempered by wisdom, foresight, and restraint. Their legacy is a complex tapestry of triumph and tragedy, innovation and excess. The 17th century witnessed a seismic shift in the world of finance with the establishment of the Bank of England in 1694. Born out of war and the need for a stable financial system, the Bank of England set a new standard for central banking. Its imposing facade, a symbol of financial might, concealed a labyrinth of vaults, ledgers, and the whispered secrets of nations. The bank's power stemmed from its unique role as both lender to the government and issuer of paper money. This newfound authority, however, came with a heavy burden. The bank's decisions, often made behind closed doors, would have far-reaching consequences, influencing trade, industry, and the lives of millions. Section 5. The invisible hand central banking emerges. The 18th and 19th centuries saw the rise of central banking as a cornerstone of modern economies. From Paris to Berlin, these institutions, cloaked in an aura of authority and mystery, wielded immense power. They controlled the money supply, set interest rates, and acted as lenders of last resort. Yet their actions were often shrouded in secrecy, fueling suspicion and distrust. The concept of an invisible hand guiding the market, as espoused by Adam Smith, held sway. But as the 20th century dawned, the world would learn that even the steadiest hands can tremble. Section 6. The Great Cataclysm, Banking and the Depression. The Roaring Twenties, a decade of unprecedented prosperity, masked a deep-seated rot within the global financial system. The stock market crash of 1929 exposed the fragility of this gilded age. Banks, once seen as pillars of stability, crumbled like houses of cards. The ensuing Great Depression brought the world to its knees. Millions lost their life savings, their dreams shattered by the collapse of the financial system. The very foundations of banking, built on trust and confidence, lay in ruins. The Great Depression served as a brutal reminder of the devastating consequences of unchecked speculation and the interconnectedness of the global economy. Section 7. From Rubble to Rebirth. Post-war banking. In the aftermath of World War II, a new world order emerged. The Bretton Woods Agreement, signed in 1944, aimed to prevent a repeat of the economic devastation of the previous decades. It established the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank, institutions tasked with fostering global financial stability and promoting economic development. This period witnessed a dramatic expansion of banking services. Consumer credit became widely available, fueling a surge in homeownership and consumer spending. Yet, even as the global economy boomed, shadows of uncertainty lingered. The seeds of future crises were sown in the very policies designed to prevent them. Section 8. The Digital Dawn, a new era of finance. The late 20th century ushered in the digital revolution, fundamentally transforming the banking landscape. Computers replaced ledgers, ATMs replaced tellers, and online banking emerged as a powerful new force. The world of finance, once confined to grand buildings and mahogany-lined offices, became accessible at the click of a mouse. This digital transformation brought both unprecedented convenience and new vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity threats loomed large, and the rapid pace of innovation raised questions about privacy, security, and the very nature of money itself. Section 9. Shadows of Uncertainty, Banking Crises. Despite efforts to safeguard the global financial system, the 21st century has been marked by a series of interconnected crises. The Asian financial crisis of 1997, the Russian financial crisis of 1998, and the global financial crisis of 2008 exposed the interconnectedness and fragility of the modern financial system. These crises, often triggered by a complex interplay of factors including deregulation, excessive risk-taking, and global imbalances, highlighted the need for greater transparency, regulation, and international cooperation. Section 10. The Unseen Future. Banking in the 21st Century. As we stand at the cusp of a new decade, the future of banking remains shrouded in uncertainty. The rise of cryptocurrencies, the proliferation of fintech startups, and the growing influence of artificial intelligence are reshaping the financial landscape at an unprecedented pace. The traditional banking model, once seemingly immutable, is facing unprecedented challenges. Whether these disruptions will lead to a more stable and equitable financial system or exacerbate existing inequalities remains to be seen. One thing is certain, the world of banking is on the brink of a profound transformation. Section 11. An Enduring Legacy, the Power and Peril of Banking. The history of banking is a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and the enduring power of money. From the earliest days of civilization, humans have sought ways to manage and grow their wealth. From the temples of ancient Mesopotamia, where grain was stored and loans were made, to the gleaming skyscrapers of Wall Street, banking has played a pivotal role in shaping the course of human history. It has been a cornerstone of economic development and societal progress. Yet this journey has been fraught with both progress and peril. The rise and fall of banks have mirrored the fortunes of nations, bringing both prosperity and hardship. The same forces that have driven innovation and economic growth have also fueled instability, inequality, and crises. The Industrial Revolution, for instance, saw unprecedented economic growth but also stark economic disparities and financial turmoil. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, it is imperative to remember the lessons of the past. Understanding the history of banking helps us appreciate the delicate balance between risk and reward. The future of banking, like its past, will be shaped by the choices we make today. With the advent of digital currencies and advanced financial technologies, we stand at the cusp of a new era in banking. It is a future that holds both immense promise and profound responsibility. The decisions we make now will determine whether we harness the power of banking for the greater good or repeat the mistakes of the past.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Turn on notification and leave a like to help the channel out. Thank you for watching.